Hello, my lovelies. I'm sorry I'm not there today, but Miss Wilson was there with you, and we are getting ready to have a fantastic day, finishing up our artwork that we did the other day with our paintings and creating our city silhouette. So let's first take a look at what a silhouette is. All right, here we have a video telling us about a silhouette. Let's take a listen. Not sure what. There we go.
Silhouette refers to the outline of a shape, shadow, or form. Silhouettes are usually black or dark in color and presented against a lightly colored or white background.
Let's do a little more investigating about silhouettes. If we look at these pictures, when we talk to ourselves and raise our hand with Miss Wilson, if we want to talk about where the light comes from in a silhouette, why does the object look black? Why can't we see the colors of an object that is in silhouette? Where's the light and where's the light source coming from? So let's just take a look at this. Miss Wilson, do we have any guesses with her hands raised? I'm going to have you pause our video while we take a look and discuss where the light comes from. Wow, Miss Wilson, did they get it? Did they get the light source is coming from behind the silhouette? Now let's take a look at our project today. In front of you, or in a minute, Miss Wilson will make sure that everybody gets their wonderful papers. If you weren't here, that's okay. I'll have extras for you. Okay, my lovelies. So everyone should have their rainbow paper that they created with the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, a pencil, some scissors, and a black strip of paper. Now, there's a couple of different ways that we can do our wonderful silhouette. Let's first take a look at what some other friends of ours have done. Oh wow, what a cool middle ground they made for to go on top of their paper. It's their city, and then they did some shading afterwards. Let's talk about how to make this middle ground our city. There's a couple of different ways we can make it. The first way, our paper's a little bit bigger than this paper, and that's okay. Our first way is using our pencil. We can draw city buildings on our paper and cut them out. And we can see them because we used our pencil. But then there's another way. We can cut this out. And we would glue the pencil mark side down because we wouldn't want to see those lines on our silhouette, and we could put that on our paper. But then there's another way that you can do it, and I think this is a little bit more fun. We take our paper and we build our city. I think I want a tall building right in the middle. So I'm going to glue down. Whoops, it's hard for me to get the glue open. There we go, Mr. Glue. Sorry about that. I'm going to put glue on the back of this, and I'm going to put our tall building right here. And then let's make a shorter building. And I can do that. Make two small buildings. I'm going to put one on top of the other. Oh, my city looks so good. What I have to make sure I do, though, is line up the bottom of my city. I think I want this one right here. Now, I have a gap, so I'm going to have to fill that gap in with maybe a long building. There we go. I have a building behind a building. Oh, I think we need another tall building over here. I want to make this tall building fancy. I think I want to make it have a domed top. Oh, there we go. There's my fancy building. I can put that. Oh, maybe I can have another fancy building over here. I could make it have a spike top, like a pointy top, like a house would. Put that over here. Oh my goodness, look at my silhouette. It looks so good. Oh, I love it. That looks good. But I'm not done, am I? I need to put in my shadows. So once I have all of my building on there, now I need to get my Sharpie and I need to put some shadow lines right in front. Oh my goodness. I'm going to make this shadow line have a little spot on it because it goes to a point. And, oh, I got to make this one a little bit bigger because this is taller. Yeah. Oh, that looks so good. Yay. All right. I hope you're having fun. And I can't wait to see. Talk to you soon, my lovelies. Bye-bye.